Welcome to the first session of Next English Prime Book. Children, you all like to read plays, isn't it? Yes. Today we are going to study a story of a 10-year-old boy. The name of the lesson is Raghu's Adventures. So let us start then. First, I will read the narration. Raghu is a 10-year-old boy who lives in a small picturesque village with his mother. The family works hard to make ends meet. Raghu's mother grinds grains into flour and sells it at the market. Raghu's father works in a factory far away in the city. Raghu studies in the village school. He also helps his mother with the daily chores. Raghu often stumbles upon some adventure or the other. Today is one of those days. Now I will explain to you the part that we have read. There is a 10-year-old boy named Raghu who lives in a small picturesque village with his mother. The meaning of the word picturesque is beautiful. His family is poor. Raghu's family works hard to make ends meet. The meaning of the phrase to make ends meet is to have enough money to buy what you need to live. His mother grinds grains into flour and sells it at the market. His father works in a factory far away in the city. They are a happy family. Raghu studies in a village school. He also helps his mother with the daily chores. The meaning of the word chores is the everyday work around a house or a farm. He often stumbles upon some adventure or the other. The meaning of the phrase stumbles upon is to find or learn about something. The meaning of the word adventure is an unusual and exciting or daring experience. Today we will see what happens on one day. Now let us read scene 1. Raghu's mother is getting ready to go to the market to sell flour. Raghu is out in the garden feeding the birds. Mother: Raghu, I am going to the market to sell flour. Do you want me to get you anything? Raghu: a drum. Mother: I want a drum. Mother to herself: oh dear, a drum? I thought he would want something to eat. Where on earth will I find the money for a drum? Now I will explain the scene. Raghu's mother is getting ready to go to the market to sell flour. Raghu is out in the garden playing with birds and feeding them. Mother sees him and tells him that she is going to the market to sell flour, and then she asks him if he wants her to get anything for him. Raghu replies to his mother that he wants a drum. After listening this, the mother is worried and says to herself, oh dear, a drum? She thinks he would want something to eat. She is worried where on earth will she find the money for a drum? And she proceeds towards the village. Now I will read scene 2. Raghu's mother returns from the market looking tired and carrying a piece of wood. Raghu quickly gets her a glass of water. Mother: look what I got for you, little one. A lovely piece of wood. Raghu to himself: what will I do with this? Ah, never mind. To his mother: Mother, I have completed my homework and have prepared the hay for the animals. Now I am off to play. Now I will explain the scene. Raghu's mother returns from the market looking tired and carrying a piece of wood. Raghu quickly gets her a glass of water. Mother asks Raghu to see what she has got for him. It's a lovely piece of wood. After seeing the piece of wood, Raghu says to himself, what will he do with that? He says to his mother to not mind and further says that he has completed his homework and has prepared the hay for the animals and goes to play. In the next session, we will see what happens further. Thank you.